Hello, welcome to my channel. Today uh, I'm gonna try to cook this right here, prickly chayote. It's also known as a Mexican chayote. It is in a gourd family or squash family. This is the first time trying it. Be careful because all prickly. It's really sharp. When you handle it, make sure that you wear gloves or have a piece of towel right here when you handle it. It's very prickly. The thorn can get into your fingers. And I never cooked this before, but this is a regular chayote right here with a smooth skin. I cooked this before with beef, and it's really good, this one, but never tried this. But this is the first time I'm gonna do it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir fry it with the beef right here. I already have some beef cut up already to slices. Let's remove the skin right here. Be careful. Got a piece of towel right here. Gonna try to remove the skin. And this is gonna be challenging. Oh, I'm this one you can also like make salad out of it, eat it raw, but I'm gonna just cook this one with beef. All right, all the skin removed. Yeah, let's wash the chayote a little bit in case there's a little that prickly thorn breaking off or something. All right, that should be good now. All right, the next thing is we're gonna slice it up. Thin, not too thin, just you know. Now there's gonna be a little seed in the middle right there. And then after you do this, just do like this. Okay. Right there, cut into like that, slice like that. All right. The seed right here, need to do is just remove the seed. The seed is pretty, okay, just take it out. When you remove the skin, look exactly the flesh is look exactly like the regular one. I can't tell any different. Now they say you can eat it raw too. This one is like let me tell you, not too bad raw. I like cucumber. You can eat it raw. Make salad out of it. Okay. Now I already sliced the beef into like small slices like this right here. And now what we need to do is to marinate the beef a little bit. A little bit of soy sauce, just a tiny bit, not too much. A little bit of cornstarch right there. About a teaspoon of that. Cornstarch. A little bit of this chicken bouillon right there. Soak like that. Flavor it a little bit. And put a little bit of oyster sauce in there, maybe half a teaspoon in there, not too much. Marinate it really good. After this, you can let it sit in the fridge maybe 10-15 minutes to let the meat really soak in all that ingredient. I also have some garlic right here, like about 3 cloves of garlic chopped up like that. Okay, and then let's start cooking. It's about a teaspoon of cooking oil. All right, the heat is pretty hot right now. Now I'm gonna cook the beef first. I'm gonna clean this plate up. Yeah, cook about 75% done. Okay, now just That's all I want, about 75% done now. Just remove the beef from the pan. Put another tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to put my chopped up garlic in right now. I'm just cook it down a little bit, maybe 30 seconds or so. That's it, just to take the rawness out of the garlic. Now I'm going to put the chayote in. A bit of soy sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of ground nut pepper. Stir it really good. Now I'm going to put the beef back in. We are done because this is done and I don't want to overcook the chayote. Alright, turn off the stove, that's it, and plate this up. So this is the final product, stir fry prickly chayote with the beef. And the secret to cooking this is make sure you don't overcook the chayote. You still want that crunchiness. You know, just cook it for a couple minutes, that's it. Don't overcook it. Let's see, let's taste it. See, when you bite into it, still have that crunchiness. That's what you want. It is sweet, crunchy, and tastes really good. This is good. So what's the difference between the regular one, the smooth skin one, and the prickly one? I can't really tell the difference. So they're both the same, it's just the skin. This one is a smooth one, smaller, and the prickly one is really big. Compared to this one, the prickly one is about 4 times the size of this one. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Stir fry prickly chayote with beef. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. That's good.